Okay, Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin update. Elon did like a broken heart plus a Bitcoin logo and a meme. And then Bitcoin was down a little bit. Is Bitcoin? I don't know. Is it still down? What's going on? Let's get to the bottom of it, Will. That's what we do.
It's down a little bit.
Down a little bit, yeah.
Maybe 5%.
Yeah, well, whatever. It's been down. And people still very upset with Elon. Anyway, he keeps tweeting about it. And people keep trying to interpret what he means. So he did the broken heart emoji alongside the token. And people are like, okay, is it over? What's going on? And then this kind of coincided with the 2021 Bitcoin conference, which is going on
in Miami right now.
This year, I was going to be the star in the
Is that mine?
campaign.
Holy cow.
Very loud.
Screaming at me over here. Yeah, it's happening right now?
Yes.
In Miami.
A lot of notable people there.
Many notables?
I heard Mayweather is going to do a talk there.
Well, he's in Miami anyway,
yeah,
right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
might as well double up.
Ron Paul, Michael Saylor.
Okay.
A few others. Tony Hawk will be there.
You're in this crypto thing, you know that?
Well, I was looking at the lineup for speakers.
Yeah, but you're still watching crypto content, aren't you?
Here and there.
You
Not
are.
that much.
Yeah, you are, though.
No. Well, Elon always brings it back, with the tweets. I'm just like, okay, what's going to happen with the market now that he's tweeted?
Right.
And then it goes all over again with the videos.
Seem like it's stressing you out, Will. Hey, well, you're not the only one because he's been the number one target at this Bitcoin conference. He's been blamed for price drops, as you're well aware.
Yeah.
And there was even, to open the thing, there was a chant. Max Kaiser, host of the Kaiser Report, began his fireside chat at the conference by repeating, I'm not going to say the word actually, but the number one expletive and then Elon's name several times. And it was a chant.
Wow.
And everyone was joining in. And there's also been these this advertising, these kind of billboards around Miami. Stick to space, Elon. Sponsored by Bitcoinis. Yeah. Bitcoinis.com. Learn more about Bitcoin. Stick to space, Elon. I don't know if you can find those billboards. They're in the article if you want to show people. But he's enemy number one as far as crypto's concerned. Here we have Scott Melker from also tweeted, Elon Musk versus Bitcoin 2021 in Miami. Like, he's a big target over there. And I don't know, man. It seems like a really weird set of occurrences that he has become this villain now in this community, which you would have presumed, or at least just like moments before, would have been number one fans. I feel like there's a lot of Teslas at this event, but maybe less than there would have been otherwise. So
yeah, I feel like a lot of people were quote unquote betrayed by him.
Betrayal.
As being like thorough supporters of Tesla, SpaceX, and all that stuff. But
that stings, that betrayal one.
Yeah,
because then
internet betrayal. Because
then it's like it's tough to fix it. What do you have to do to fix it? I don't even know he wants to fix it. Look like he's still goofing around. But anyway, he's the number one enemy at this Bitcoin convention.